We are shopping at two different Loves today. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs their platform. My subscribers and likes, so help out this channel by doing so. Yes, guys, lots of clearance deals, lots of good deals. Starting with this fridge, it does have some dents at the bottom. It's brand new. $15.99 down from $21.10. It's not a bad deal for this. Maybe you have a rental property or something. A smart inverter. This is actually pretty nice. Something I would put in my kitchen. This is completely brand new. It does have everything inside. Same thing with this. This was down to, I believe, $6.50 something. Everything's inside. This was down to $3.99 from $12.49. Gas dryer. So, and then this one looks pretty good. It does not, there's nothing obvious that's wrong with it. Same thing with this one. It's down to $4.50, down from $8.99. Killer D on this one. And then you got $1.99 for the range exhaust. You got hand crew gloves for $9.98, down from $12.98. Got the nail slicer from Crescent, down to $8.97. It's a 7 1/4, 24 tooth. Got the spade bit set, 6 piece, $9.97, down from $12.98. And there we go. That's what they look like. Alright, they got this parallel kit. This is actually for Furman generators. And I should have picked this up because I own a Furman generator. So, not that I plan on buying another one, but you know, it's always nice to have something like this, just in case I ended up purchasing another one. So it does have other connections, on and off. $37 from $74. And those are the connections that it has. Alright, we got this one down to 116, down from 129. It says tool only. 40 volt max. Attachment capable. You got the correct jig pocket, whole jig, 720 Pro for $149. Alright, you got this blower, yes, tool only. $80, down from $139. And it tells you right there what's missing. I'll show you guys real quick. Missing battery and charger. So those are the things you want to look at when you're looking at stuff like this. You got a battery here on clearance for $30, down from $37. The Magna Power. And then you got this power station from Eagle, which is something different because I never see these, like, obviously the boxes, or I won't see them at all. It's always nice to just look at the device itself, you know. $359 for that blower, battery and charger included. It is on clearance, so $399. I'm pretty sure these are going to drop even lower. $119. They got a special deal here. They got a blower and string trimmer combo. That's the weed eater. Alright, you got some toolboxes. This is a 41-inch 6-drawer tool chest with a 10-drawer rolling tool cabinet. Alright, the top one is $369. That's the 41-inch 6-drawer. Was $424. This one's $479. So 41-inch 10-drawer. Lease to own. Alright, they got these made in the USA. With global materials. 41-inch 6-drawer, same thing. 10-drawer rolling cart. S2000 series. $369. Was $424. And then you got a $479. I do have something similar to this color, but in the 53 version. Alright, this is a little smaller, 26-inch 5-drawer, and a 5-drawer rolling tool cabinet. The S2000. This one's $199, down from $264. And then this one's down to $279, down from $334. Alright, this is something very similar to whatever I have. So this is the S2000 52-inch 8 drawer tool chest and a rolling cabinet. So this one's $409, down from $499, and this one's $539, down from $629. Got the Trade Stack Pro multi-tote, $59.98. Looks pretty nice. Does have a lot of compartments there for your. And it looks like we're gonna get the buy one get one free, guys. This is the Craftsman Days. It says right there at the bottom, it says buy one get one of these items free. I don't have exactly what item I have to buy, so just keep an eye out for this one. This deal is coming up, or it might be an older deal, but yeah, it looks like it's coming up because it's fully stacked. I mean, there's a lot of product in there, and so we'll wait on those. See what comes up. You got 1098, your choice here. You got groove joint pliers, diagonal or long nose. And these are pretty nice. I really like the grips. And then you got the needle nose here, 8-inch. Alright, you got this one for $99. Then it's a 206 mechanics tool set. And then this is the other side of the same Craftsman. You got 83 piece for $69.98. Quarter inch 3/8 drive mechanics tool set, down from $94. You got the Chameleon for $149. It's a little beat up. I would definitely pick the one from the back. And those are all the attachments that this one has. You got $12.98 for the Crescent, 6.5. Then you got the 7.25 nail slicer. You got $14.98, your choice here. You got jigsaw blades or reciprocated saw blades. They're pretty nice sets. You got $17.98. You got the 360 pocket level or the utility knife with the 2-blade magazine. Alright, so these guys are buy one get one free. I'll show you guys at the other store because we're going to another store. So I'll show you guys what that looks like at the other store. They got a little bit more stock in. And they got this 26 pieces, a really nice set. It does include some 2-inch bits, some nut drivers, some looks like some star bits, a bit holder. A little pricey, waiting for these to drop on the holiday deals. Got the screw gun cutout combo for $199. That was for $299. Some stores do have that one in stock. And you got a 110 watt charger for $29 from Cobalt. 6 amp hour battery 2-pack for $179. Got a 5 amp hour battery for $119. And then you got a 3 amp hour battery for $83. And then you got a 4 amp hour 2-pack for $129. A starter kit for $99. You got a 3 amp hour battery for $53 on clearance from Metabo. And the same thing, $39.97 for the Black & Decker. And then you got the charger for $34.77. Got a circular saw, 6.5 circular saw, $83 clearance. That's what it looks like. Deep cut. Got an impact wrench for $89.37. I was trying to get you guys the more clear. Sometimes it's impossible, but I try my best. Alright, you got the buy more, save more. So you spend $400 or more, save $150. That's the best deal. You spend up to $399, you save $50. You spend up to $199, you save $20. Obviously, the $400 is going to get you the best deal, smoking deal on that one. It runs to $10.5, $22. It's $89.37 for the impact wrench. We already saw that. And then we got the 4-piece combo kit for $179. Was $299. Not a bad deal. Got the cordless impact driver for $83.37. Got the drill driver for $33.37. I got the cordless impact drill, 107. I believe is the hammer drill. $29.98 for these sockets. Is missing one, I believe, from what it looks like. Got this one $2.99 down from $3.49. Got the Freak hammer drill and circular saw. You got the impact wrench, $159 down from $189. Get the Freak bare tool, $129 down from $159. Got that grinder. It's a 4.5 inch brushless grinder, 97.27, my bad. You got the Select Bosch bare tool. Get a free 4 amp hour starter kit. Runs up to the 19th of next month, October 19th. Then this one, you buy $450, you save $150. You buy $449, you save $75. So this one runs down to the 19th, October 19th. Not a bad little deal. Alright, second store, guys. A little bit more stocked up here on this one. So $359 for this one. This was the backpack blower from Egos. Alright, you got this selfie ring light. It's $12.46 in clearance. This is the clearance section, by the way. Alright, this is a good deal on these. This is actually the first time I see them at this price. So it's down to $29. These are really expensive. It's a 2-pack 12-inch miter saw blades. Alright, you got this 2-inch deck screws, $700. $47.97, down from $59. Got the nail slicer, 7.25, $8.97. Down from $14.98. You got some auger bits from Spider. These are the Stinger. $17.97, down from $29.98. Might be on the wrong section because it said 3. Got the Grip high visibility gloves. $8.07, down from $8.98. Then you got some wipes. Crocodile Original, $7.17. Alright, you got a grill cover from Joe's Highland Smoker, $11, down from $29.98. Then you got all these electronics for the kitchen on clearance for $12. Those are pretty good deals. Somebody that's just getting their first apartment. Alright, you got the Gorilla waterproof patch and seal, $6.46, down from $12.98. You got some more gloves here, just like the other store, but I like to point these out so you guys can compare them. $9.98. And then you got the Mister stand here for $6.24, down from $24. You got the Orbit 2-pack metal rear trigger, $11. It's not a bad deal for 2. Alright, so this is the buy one get one free. So you buy any of the tools on the left, you get that starter kit for free. That's a good deal. So $149 was $264. This is a $262 piece. Mechanics Craftsman 3-drawer. Alright, you got the Cobalt modular storage system. This one actually looks pretty nice. It does have some metal. Well, part of the hinges are the locks are metal. It's $199. It actually looks pretty good quality. So, all right, 2-pack of 5s for $99. You got a starter kit for $99. We already saw that one. And then we got the 4 bay charger for $299 with some batteries. You got the buy one get one free, so you buy any of the tools on the left, you get a free 4 amp hour battery. Some of those tools are really good deals, really good tools. You got the reciprocating saw at $149. Got the circular saw, the impact wrench at the bottom, and the drill driver for $169 kits. Alright, so you got the buy more, save more. You buy $300, save $100. You buy $200, save $50. You buy $100, save $20. Those are all the tools you guys could choose from. You guys could choose from a lot more. You guys could mix and match all the tools from Craftsman. Got some killer deals on these. Alright, so 35 piece drill drive bit set, $12.98. Got some drilling bits, some Phillips, some 1-inch bits in that Tic Tac case. You get a dual bevel miter saw with the stand, free stand when you buy that for $349. That's a pretty nice deal. The only thing I wish it was a slider. Alright, you got the hammer drill kit for $147. Made in the USA with global materials. Yes guys, they got the made in the USA impact wrench. This is the impact wrench kit, down to $209.37. It's a killer deal on that one. Not all the stores have these, just some of the stores. So if you guys, look at your store, make sure you don't miss out that deal. A 6.2 combo kit for $4.99. Looks like you're getting a reciprocating saw, impact driver, drill driver, circular saw, oscillating tool, a light. Looks like 2 batteries, and a charger in a bag. A lot of tools for only 2 batteries. This is the new compact job site radio from Bosch. $129 was $159. I haven't seen this one before. It's the first time I see it. $53.97 compact battery. And you got the charger from Black & Decker. And same thing with this one's $83 at this store. Deep cut or deep circular saw. And you got the impact wrench for $89. Was $149. Then you got the 4-tool combo kit for $209.27. Down from $299. Not a bad deal. And same thing with this one. They do still got the buy more, save more. So obviously these are hackable. If you guys do the buy more, save more, these are hackable at the store. If you do the buy one get one free, they are not hackable at the Lowe's. And they got this one on clearance for $49.50. I can't talk. Down from $99. This is a hammer drill. It's a killer deal on this one. Alright, you got the tough build, magnetic, $17.98. Box level was $24.98. You got the pocket level for $12.98. You get the fractional digital caliper, $16.77. You get the material estimator, calculator basically, $6.67 was $26.98. But you got the pocket level for $17.98. Guys, that's it for today. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it right here. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.